How to build an email list in Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can build your email list in Mailchimp as the contacts will be uploaded or exported. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over Mailchimp.com. Then you only need to sign in for your account. And as you can see here, we have the platform of Mailchimp. Here is my account. We're going to click on the file icon. Then we are going to visit Mailchimp Home. Click on Mailchimp Home. If you don't have an account, it is very easy to sign up. So here we have some few steps to do to make everything sure that is going to work. So here we are on the admin dashboard of our Mailchimp account. As you can see here, we have some quick actions, email performance, audiences, and etc. Now, how we can create the specific email list? We have first to add the contacts. You can go ahead and click on import contacts, or you can go ahead and click here on the audience on this left side menu. Then we are going to see all contacts. Now, I'm going to click on import contacts for the quick actions here to make everything more usual for you. So here you can go ahead and import the contacts from a file or import it from another service. And also we have the option to copy and paste the new contacts. Choose one of these three methods, then you are going to click on continue. If you want to add a CSV file or a tab delimited text file, you're going to select the one of the middle, which is upload a file. Now, you're going to click on, for example, here, continue with this specific area, or you can choose one of the contact providers that you have. For example, here we have Salesforce, QuickBooks, Squarespace, Shopify, WooCommerce, and etc. So now we are going back to the method, and here we are going to click on copy and paste and see how we can do it. So here we have the example. You're going to add the email address, the first name, and separate them with a comma and a little bit of space, last name, address. This is just an example on how we can do that. We have, for example, this. Here we have this specific email, a comma, separate or a little space, the name, last name, the address. Boom, we have it. So go ahead and follow these steps. Then you can go ahead and click on organize right away. Also, for the specific file, which is upload, you're going to select this. Here we have the browse, or you can drag and drop a file. For example, you're going to set up browse, and it will showcase here the file of yours. Here you need to add a CSV file for example, from Excel as an XLS file or a CSV. The CSV is found on Google Spreadsheet and also on Microsoft Excel. You can export them as a CSV. And this means that you are going to be, or the file are going to be separated. So, or the files, fields, I mean by files, the fields, for example, for the name, email address will be separated by comma. And CSV is standing for comma separated values. Now, let's go back here to Mailchimp. Then I will let you see how we can do that manually. We're going to the audience, click on all contacts. Now we have the contacts that we have. These are only some fake contacts and nothing of them are real. So you are going to click on add contacts. Then you are going to click on add a single contact. Now we have the menu. So right here, we have the email address. We have the first name, last name, the address, line 1 and line 2, the city, state, and here the postal code, the country right here, the phone number, birthday if needed. None of these cases are required, but only here the email address only. So Here you can go ahead and put a image URL if you want to see that person face, for example, or etc. We can add some text to differentiate afterwards the contact. Also, you can go ahead and put some marketing permissions. So you can go ahead and add it to the contact. Then when you finish, you are going to click on create. Here we have built, for example, an audience. We have added one, two, or three and more contacts. We're going to click on create, and then here we have the option to move on Mailchimp. As you can see here, we have the option to create email. You can go ahead and build one of these on the quick actions. Here we have the regular email. We have here a plain text or a template. We're going to choose here, for example, a email. So we are going to click on create, design an email from here. This is more simple. So you are going to set here these steps. We have two, or to the recipients. You can edit the recipients. Then you are going to add, for example, all the subscribers, or you can add a segment. Go ahead and add a segmentation to your subscribers. If you want to do that, you can also exclude some segmentation that you have set. Here, when you finish, you're going to click on save. Here we have save the first step, which is the recipients. The second thing is to set from, or the sender. Here we have the email address of this account. A little disclaimer, guys, everything created in this video, such as accounts, and also right here, email addresses are created for the sake of the video and not for any personal uses. So go ahead and make this, and you will be good to go. The subject, here you need to add a subject. For example, you are going to put the subject of the email. For example, we are going to set or send a newsletter like that. And here we have the preview text. You can go ahead and also add a preview right here on a newsletter. You're going to click on save. Boom. Here we have it. And the final step is to add the content of the email. You're going to design here the email and create here from these bunch of templates, select one and get yours. Here, the most of the part or the most of the time, this will be your email template because it is free. So you are going to be like this. Here we have the content blocks. You can add the content, the layouts. You can add some buttons, images, and etc. It is fully customizable. So make sure to rearrange your email like that. Put the styles right here. Then you are going to optimize it. Then you are going to click on save and exit. So that was very simple and very effective. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.